Hello friends, BeGambleAware here. I am on Big Fishing Fortune and we have hit a feature. So, which is like rocking horse pool to me, to be fair. We're going to get a £100 sticky again. Come on, 100. Oh, 100. Oh, bit of everything. Ah, the 20 it is. Okay. Fine, innit? Come on then. Stay the hell away from him. Right. Let's have some nice wins now, please. Before we catch that blinking fish. Oh, you are joking me. Already, guys. That is bloody terrible. Really? 28 quid. 27 quid. And he bloody caught it. That's shocking. Let's just leave the viewers to watch another one straight away. Oh yes! Okay, see it? It hadn't finished, people, it hadn't finished. Go on. Oh. Back to back bonuses. Nice. Let's just go along the middle, sort of. Literally every fish. Come on, 100. Stay with me, bloody 20. 50. Oh. It's 20 quid it didn't give us last spin. I don't want to see that blinking fish. Not yet. Come on, let's have some... catch some other fish now first, man. Where is he? Really? Oh, he's nowhere to be seen, man. So, 10, 20. Okay. Come on. I like the idea of this, too. That's better. Unlimited spins, literally until you catch a fish. It's good. Just stay the hell away from him, innit? Oh, nice. That's £20 plus the fish, I'm guessing, is it? I don't know. What's that? 10, 12, 13, 18. Is that 38? Yeah, okay, that's good then. Nice. Stay. Oh, he's there now. Damn it. Oh, that's not so bad, is it? That's going to be meaty, that is. 2042. Is it giving a win there for that? I don't know. I'm going to pretend to know. No, just those. Okay. What do we have altogether? 164.50? Wow, it's probably the best I've ever done on here. Shall I leave you it again, see if we can do 3 in a row? Oh, I like those though, they're nice. The boats. Now, me and the wife are saying, those boats, don't they look like those pizzas, like the little baguette pizzas? They do. You know you can see it. Come on, bonus again. Oh, you little swine. Okay, I don't know how much more to do on here now then, because I don't normally get anything, and then we literally had a bonus after a bonus, back to back. Oh, it's a shame, innit? It's a shame we didn't catch these, look at them. Don't know why they bother putting amounts on them before when you're not playing a feature. It's another 20 quid. 25. What shall we do? Do 8 more spins then. Thank you for watching these videos, guys. Please subscribe and like and check out all the others. Okay. Need to get these subs right up there. Got a long way to go yet, but thank you for people who are sharing the channel as well. It's amazing. Thank you so much. 2 spins then. Okay, this is the last spin. Okay, right, thanks for watching, guys. Big Fish and Fortune. We did alright in that, to me. I'll see you in the next video.